Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I am talking about one often neglected maintenance item on the Mahindra Roxor. At least for me, it's something that I can very easily forget to take care of, and that would be the oil change. So the reason why I say it's easily overlooked or forgotten is that most people, including myself, when I first bought my Roxor, I had it for I think maybe 1,000 miles or thereabouts. You go either by the miles or by the hours, but I didn't have it for too long or too many hours, and I changed my oil. One of the reasons being that I just wanted to get a feel for how difficult the process was going to be, and also, just to make sure that I had the kind of oil that I wanted in there. And the process wasn't very hard. It was easy and quickly done. But after I did that, I don't drive the Roxor that much. I don't do long distances. I kind of put that maintenance item on the back burner. Now I realize after 3 years that maybe I waited too long. 3-4 years, going to 4 years, yeah, almost 4 years. I've done just one oil change. So that is one thing that I think we can benefit by going by the calendar year, because not so many people drive their Roxor more than, I would say, 2,000, 3,000 miles in a given year, especially those who use it as an off-road vehicle. So for that reason, I think it's very important that you remember to check and change the oil on a Roxor, and not go by the mileage that you've covered, maybe at least once every calendar year. There's a variety of sources. I haven't tried eBay. I think I got this directly from Leaders RPM. You could try eBay, but just make sure you're getting it from a reputable source. There's also a couple of vendors who are well known in the Roxor community who carry these filters. So very easy to come by, but with the shortages that we're seeing with parts, it doesn't hurt to buy maybe one extra, and that way you have a backup in case you can't source it at the time you need it from your dealership, your local dealership, or from any other source. So here is what it looks like. We have this seal with a hologram on the left, and it says it's made by Mahindra and Mahindra in India, and the quality is actually quite good. It's a good size filter, well packaged, and this is what it looks like. It also has the date of manufacture on there. So that's what it looks like, and one of these days I will go ahead and change my filter. So I just wanted to let you guys know, yep, for the Roxor, remember items like this, that you can change your oil based either on the age of the oil in the Roxor or the mileage that you've covered since the last oil change. With that being said, I think it's time for us to jump in and go for a quick ride.